Okay, so when it comes to what parent will decide if we end up with a boy or a girl, we're going to think back to Mendelian genetics, back into high school science. Probably talked about the pea experiment that Mendel did to determine the type of pea it would be. And so it's actually very similar to that when it comes to determining a boy or a girl. So what we're combining to create a human is the genetics of a mother and a father, or a female and of a male. So the female, she brings to the table what two chromosomes? She brings an X and an X chromosome. That's all she has to offer. The male, he brings to the table an X and a Y. That's all he has to offer. And so there are four options of what the embryo or the baby will eventually become. And so this 23rd sex chromosome is one of these four boxes, and that just depends on what sperm and what the egg has as far as the chromosomes that the parents give. So the mother can give what? This embryo would have an X, an X, an X, an X, and an X. And for the father, if we're talking right here, the father will give an X if it's this sperm. He'll give an X here as well. Here he'll give a Y. And here he'll give a Y. So notice, this one will become what? XX means female, correct? So this one would become female. And this one, XX, means female again, so it will become female. XY means male, correct? And then XY means male. So notice there's a 50-50 chance of the baby becoming female, a 50-50 chance of it becoming male. But is it the mother or the father who determines whether it'll be male or female? It has to be the father, because look, the mother, notice in the pink chromosome that the mother gives, she gives X, 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 X. It's always an X, so she cannot determine the sex of the baby because all she has to offer is that X chromosome. It's the father, whether his sperm has that X chromosome or whether his sperm has that Y chromosome.